We're going to have a quick look at the completed Halloween stuff in. It's got Christmas stuff as well. But we're gonna have a quick look at the Halloween stuff first in the range here in Bromborough. Check out the cobbler. Spooky. Let's have a look if there's anything new. Oh, there's not loads of stuff. I thought there was going to be loads more stuff. Kind of like him. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. That's weird. Oh no, there's not loads of stuff. Loads more stuff since the last video. I thought we were going to change all this down there. It's all normal stuff, it's boring. No. Robert Smith's still there. Trace, Robert Smith. It's Robert Smith. Still like this, have you seen this? It's working. Trace, look. Oh, it's not working. Needs more batteries. Never mind. Oh, not loads more stuff. It's a bit disappointing. Oh, there's a few. Oh, I didn't see that last time. £82. Trace, sexy bloody nurse costume. In fact, you've got one of them, haven't you? Already? What are these? Let's see what these are. Oh, cute. Come from decoration. It's cute.
Let's see if you can get something for the Halloween party over here.
Now if you turn this on, where's the test thing? I kind of like this mirror. Oh, it kind of does that. Seen this mirror? How do you turn it on? You see me. Oh, that's cool. So that was it. Got loads of stuff. Okay, the batteries aren't working that well. Let's see if this is working. I want to see if this one's working. Oh, these aren't working. Oh, that's so low. Oh, none of these work. No. See if the nuns work.